Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And again, I am here, your maths teacher, with new subject. With new chapter, addition, and two topics we have already done. Now today again we will do the same topic, addition. Okay. The chapter that we are doing is addition and subtraction. But what we are doing just now is addition. Our first topic is addition. So first we are doing addition. So we have done addition on number line, and one more topic we have done, adding the numbers in rainbow, and I have given you that project work also. Okay, so I hope you are doing your project. So the topic that we are doing today is given in your book on page number 60. So first open your book, page number 60, and open your notebooks also. Open your notebooks also. Today we will write in notebook. Okay, so open your books and notebook both, and in book open page number 60. Page number 60, 60. Fast. Okay, now open new page in your notebook and write today's date. What is the date today? That you have to write this side. Okay, this side of your notebook. Write today's date. Write today's date. I hope you all have enjoyed your Diwali vacations. Uh, you are having your vacation, but you have enjoyed your Diwali festival. Okay. खाइए खूब सारी मिठाई. Okay, now see, I hope you all have opened page number 60. This page. Now I am reading the first line. What is given, and you only listen, and you try to read it, and then I will explain you what is the meaning. Okay. Now see in your book, all of you look into your book and listen carefully. Jeremiah the giraffe is hungry, but he cannot eat these leaves if you help him to add the numbers quickly. Okay, again I am reading. Listen carefully. Jeremy the giraffe is hungry, but he can only eat these leaves if you help him to add the numbers quickly. Now try to read yourself. Now you read these two lines loudly. Try to read this and try to understand the meaning of these two lines. Okay, आप पढ़ें और आप समझें कि उसमें क्या लिखा है. Then I will explain you the meaning. Okay, so first you try to read these lines once and understand the meaning. Read? Okay. Now what is written? Jeremy the giraffe. That means Jeremy is the name of a giraffe. What is the name of this giraffe? One drawing of giraffe is there, na? So what is the name of this giraffe? Jeremy is hungry. Do you know what is the meaning of hungry? Yes, very good. क्या होता है? भूखा, है ना? भूख लग रही उसको. He is hungry. So Jeremy the giraffe is hungry, but he can only eat these leaves. So many leaves are there. Okay, so many leaves are there. पत्तियां दिख रही है ना, green. So many leaves are there, but he can only eat these leaves if you help him to add the numbers quickly. आप तब जिराफ की हेल्प कर सकते हैं ये लीव्स खाने के लिए कब, जब इसमें जो सम दिया है एडिशन सम्स, एडिशन प्रॉब्लम, जब आप उसको क्विकली सॉल्व कर लेंगे. व्हेन यू सॉल्व ऑल द एडिशन प्रॉब्लम क्विकली, देन द जिराफ विल एबल टू ईट द leaves. So let's start solving all the adding sums that is given inside a leaf. Now we will not draw these leaves, okay, we will write simple addition in our notebook. Okay, so I hope you all have opened your notebook. Now take out your pencil and your eraser, and I am writing on the board and you copy from the board with me. Okay, मैं board पे लिखूंगी, आपको मेरे साथ copy करना है. Same addition sums that we have done in our last lecture. Okay, we have solved addition sums given on that rainbow. Okay, now the same questions we will solve today also, and I have given you homework also. 5 or how many sums I have given you? I think 8 questions I have given you. I hope all of you have solved it. Okay, now write the question. What is the question? Add the following. A-double-D, add. T-H-E, the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Add the following numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. This is the question, but question is not written in the book. Okay, so copy the question from the board. Add the following numbers. A-double-D, add the following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Now the first question, write 1. Now what is the number? 7 plus 2. How we add these two numbers? Using our fingers. Okay, we add the numbers using our fingers, and some students add the numbers by drawing the circle or by drawing the lines. So how we are doing addition? We are doing addition using our fingers. So start doing. So what is the first number here? The first number is 7. So take out 7 fingers in your hand. Take out your 7 fingers in your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7. Now what is the next number? The next number is 2. Now take out 2 more fingers. 1 and 2. Now add all the fingers all together. So this is 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and last is 9. So what is the answer of 7 plus 2? 9. So write here 9. Write it fast and copy correctly from the board. Now the second sum. Second sum, 4 plus 3. Right? 4 plus 3. What is the symbol of addition? We read it as, we read this symbol as plus. Plus. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. Now what is the first number? 4. So take out 4 fingers in your hand. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what is the next number? The next number is 3. So take out 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. So total how many fingers you are having? 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer of 4 plus 3 will be 7. So write here 7. Copy it. Now the third question. Six plus 4. 6 plus 4. Now, what is the first number given? Which number is this? 6. So, take out six fingers. Take out 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 fingers. And the next number is 4. So, take out 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many fingers total? 10. So, write here 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Fourth question is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. Now what is the first number? First number is 8. So take out 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the other number is 2. So 1 and 2. How many fingers total? 10 fingers. So write 1, 0, 10. Again the answer is 10. So 6 plus 4 is also 10. 8 plus 2 is also 10. The answer of both the question is same, equal. Write it fast. Write all the 4 questions fast. Now the next question, fifth. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Try to add yourself. Try to solve this question yourself. आप करने की कोशिश करें. Identify the answer. Take out 5 fingers. Now take 4 more fingers. Now add all the fingers. What is the answer? 8? No? Then 9. Yes, very good. So write here 9. Now next question. 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Again try to solve yourself. All the students, take out 6 fingers in your hand. Take out 6 fingers. Taken? Now what is the next number? 2. Now take out 2 more fingers. Take out 2 more fingers. So 6 fingers plus 2 fingers. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So what is the answer? 8. What is the answer? 8. Next question. 7. 4 plus 2. Try to solve yourself. 4 plus 2. Take out 4 fingers in your hand. First number is 4. So take out 4 fingers in your hand. Taken. Now what is the next number? 2. So 2 more fingers. Now add all the fingers. 4 plus 2, 6. Very good. Now the next question, 8. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. Try to solve it. What is the first number? 3. So take out 3 fingers. Take out 3 fingers. Now what is the next number? 5. Now 5 more fingers. First take out 3 fingers, then 5 fingers more. So what is the answer? 3 plus 5. Count all the fingers. Answer is 8. Very good. Answer is 8. So write fast. Those who are writing slowly, copy all the question fast. So many questions are given in the book. So the last 4 leaves is homework and the 3 leaves are remaining. The question I will write on the board and you try to solve yourself just now. Okay. First copy from the board fast. Okay, now I am rubbing the board. Now 3 more questions. Nine, 10 and 11. 3 more questions I am writing on the board. So you do yourself. आपको अभी करना है. Then I will write the answer and you check your answers. These 3 questions write and solve it. Write fast. And try to solve. Four plus 1. Question number 9 is 4 plus 1. Question number 10 is 8 plus 0. I told you the property of addition. Then whenever you add 0 to any number, you will get the answer as the number itself. जब भी हम 0 किसी भी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं तो what answer we will get? The number itself. That means जिस नंबर में हमने 0 ऐड किया है वही आंसर हमें, वही नंबर हमें एज अ आंसर भी मिलेगा. ओके. सो यूज दैट प्रॉपर्टी. And the last question 11 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Okay, now check your answers. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 0 will be 8 and 3 plus 2 will be 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 0 is 8 and 3 plus 2 is 5. I hope all of you have done it correctly and all the 3 answers is correct. Now the 4 question is remaining. The last 4 leaves. Okay, these last 4 leaves are homework for you. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 questions are homework. So do it in your notebook just after 11. Write 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so this is homework for you. The 4 remaining questions is homework. Now what we are going to do today, we will write the table of 6. We have done table till 5. Okay, so I hope you all have learned table till 5 and remember also. याद है? Now those who have not remembered, भूल गए हैं, those who have forgotten what, they will revise the table again. Okay, now today we are going to write table of 6. So start writing with me. मेरे साथ बोलना भी है और आपको लिखना भी है. Okay, so repeat after me and write with me. First write heading table. From new page write table of 6. Table of 6. Table of 6. So start writing. Say 6 ones are 6. Say with me. Repeat after me. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. 6 twos are 12. Repeat after me. 6 threes are 18. Say 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. And last is 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Write fast. 6 ones are 6. Repeat after me. Come on, say with me. Written all of you? Yes. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. Repeat after me. All the students loudly. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. and 6 tens are 60. So all the students write one more time as a homework. Okay, you have written this side also you write table of 6 as homework and learn also. Okay, learn the table also. Okay, one more time you write the table of 6 as homework and learn it also. Okay, so till then, bye, have a nice day, good day.